Hi guys, how are you all? Welcome to Civil Visit. Are you preparing for PGCET or any competitive exam? Don't worry guys, I'm there with you. Feel free to learn here. If you are new to my channel, guys don't forget to subscribe, like and share the channel. Let's move on to the topic. Elongation due to the self-weight for conical bar. Rho g L square by 6e. Actually, elongation formula is delta L equals to PL by AE. After the derivation for the conical bar, we get the formula rho g L square by 6e. And for prismatic bar, rho g L square by 2e. And this is the question which it is came in the previous PG set exam. And E is equals to Young's modulus, L equals to length of the bar, A equals to cross section of the bar. And the second question, ability of a material to deform without breaking is. To deform without breaking is elasticity. Don't confuse in this question guys, because ability of a material to deform without breaking is a plasticity, and ability to spring back into the shape is the resilience, nothing but it is a elasticity, and creep is the deform permanently under the influence of mechanical stresses. If the shear force at a section of the beam under bending is equal to 0, then bending moment at the section is where the shear force at the beam is 0 and the bending moment at that section is maximum. When both the ends of the column are fixed, the crippling load is P. If one end of the column is made free, the value of crippling load is. Here is the solution. Crippling load formula pi square EI by L square. When both ends are fixed, L equals to L by 2. So substitute in this above the formula pi square EI by L by 2 whole square. When one end is fixed and one end is free, LE equals to 2L. Pi square EI by 4L square. So it is reduced by 1 by 16. And both ends are hinged is LE equals to L. And one end is fixed and one end is free is LE equals to 2L. Both ends are fixed is LE equals to L by 2. And one end is fixed and one end is hinged is LE equals to L by root 2. The kinetic indeterminacy of a single portal frame fixed at the base is 3. Formula for the kinetic indeterminacy is dk equals to 3j minus re minus m. For the single portal frame, j equals to joints equals to 4, r is the reactions equals to 6 and m is the members that is equals to 3. And we get the answer 3. Sixth question. The ratio of the moment carrying capacities of a beam of a circular section of size d and a beam of square section of diameter d is. Here is the solution. Section modulus for circular section is pi by 32 d cube and for square is d cube by 6. And by dividing the both, we get the answer 3 pi by 16. In the seventh question, strength of concrete is increases with increase in fineness of the cement, because the first option, increase in water cement ratio, it leads to the shrinkage and the cracking, so the strength of the concrete is decreases. In the third option, decrease in curing time, with the increase in the curing time the strength of the concrete is increases. Decrease in the size of the aggregate, it's not correct. With the increase in the size of the aggregate, the size of the strength of the concrete is increases. Eighth question, factor of safety for steel and concrete in RCC should be based on. Factor of safety for steel is yield stress and factor of safety for concrete is ultimate stress. So the option is A. In the ninth question, minimum clear cover in mm to the main steel bars in slab, beam, column and footing respectively are. The option is B. Minimum clear cover for slab is 15, for beam is 25, for column is 40 and footing is 75. In the 10th question, the mortar in which both the cement and lime are used as binding material. The cement and lime is used as a binding material. The option is C, gauged mortar. And the option A, lightweight mortar, is sawdust and the rice husk and the jute or the coir, and these are added in this lightweight mortar. And the option B is fire resisting mortar. In this, aluminous cement is added to the fine powder of the fire bricks. And for the gauged cement and the lime, and the lime mortar is lime, and the sand and the water are added in this lime mortar. So the option is C. The formwork for the sides of reinforced concrete beam can be removed after 16 to 24 hours, that is option A 1. In this 12th question, the number of threads in a flight is equal to option C risers minus 1. In 13th, if the smallest divisions of a vernier is longer than smaller division of its primary scale, the vernier is known as to retrograde vernier, option C. In 14th question, the strain energy stored in a body is proof resilience. In 15th question, early strength gain in cement by tricalcium silicate, ultimate strength by dicalcium silicate, and early setting time is by tricalcium aluminate, and gypsum is used to increase the setting time. In 16th question, flow curve is from the test data of option A liquid limit. In 17th question, swelling potential of a soil is indicated by compressibility, that is option D. In 18th question, which of the following is an impulse turbine? Option B Pelton turbine, and option A Kaplan turbine, and option C Francis turbine are both are reaction turbines, and Pelton turbine is an impulse turbine. In 18th question, which of the following is a non-recording rain gauge? Option B Simpson's rain gauge is a non-recording rain gauge. 20th question, shear span is defined as the zone where option C shear force is constant, and this is the question which is came in the previous PG set exam 2019. In 21st question, the porosity of a certain sample was found to be 80% and its specific gravity is 2.7. The critical hydraulic gradient is. The formula for the critical hydraulic gradient is G minus 1 by 1 plus E, and substitute the values in this, and void ratio E equals to N by 1 minus N, and substitute the values and we get the answer 0.34, option A. In 22nd question, on analysis of particle size distribution of a soil, it is found that D10 equals to 0.1 mm, D30 equals to 0.3 mm, and D60 equals to 0.8 mm. The uniformity coefficient and curvature coefficient are respectively. These are the formulas for the uniformity and the curvature coefficient. D60 by D10. Substitute the values and we get the answer. And the option is D. In 23rd question, ultimate settlement of footings on cohesive soil is best estimated using the data from. Answer is option A, plate load test. In 24th question, if the Reynolds number of pipe flow is 640, the friction factor of pipe material is. The friction factor of the pipe material F equals to 64 by RE, RE equals to 640, and we get the answer 0.1. In 25th question, slate is formed by metamorphic action on. Answer D, shale. Option A, sandstone is the sedimentary rock, and B is the limestone is also the sedimentary rock, and C, granite is the igneous rock. 26th question, number of bricks required for 1 cubic meter of brick masonry is. Option B, 500. 27th question, Nueces is an alluvial deposit consisting of Option C is the answer. Silt-sized particles. In 28th question, the void ratio of a soil sample is 1. The porosity of the sample is. The porosity formula N equals to E by 1 plus E. Substitute the value 1 in this formula and we get the answer 0.5. That is option D. In 29th question, a line connecting points having equal time of travel of surface runoff to the catchment outlet is an. Option A is the answer. Isochrone. Isochrone is the equal time of travel. In isowell, equal velocity. In isoplate, equal numerical value. In isoheight, equal rainfall. Sensitivity, 30th question, sensitivity of a bubble tube is increased by. Option A is the correct answer. Increasing the dia of the tube. 31st question. The primary compression failure in an RC beam is caused on. The primary compression failure is done in over-reinforced. What is meant by over-reinforced? Here consider a beam and it is a balanced section, and when the load is applied on the beam, the compression failure will be done on over-reinforced section and the secondary compression failure will be done in under-reinforced. Over-reinforcement means XU is greater than XU max. Concrete gets failed on the application of the load on the beam before the yielding of the steel. The under-reinforcement means XU is less than XU max. Tensile strain reaches the yield value before strain in concrete. The 32nd question. The maximum permissible quantity of yield in water for drinking purpose is. Option C 0.05 ppm. Standard unit of turbidity is expressed in terms of organic matter and turbidity units are expressed in NTU and it is also expressed in ppm for the H2O water and NTU equals to 3 into ppm. 34th question. The minimum grade of concrete for reinforced concrete member subjected to extreme exposure condition is. For extreme condition, it is M40 and for moderate condition M25, severe condition M30, very severe condition M35 and for mild condition M20. In 35th question, the limit state design limiting value of depth of neutral axis for Fe250 grade steel is. For Fe250, it is 0.53 into D, option B, and for Fe450, 0.48 into D, and for Fe500, 0.43 into D. The 6th question, shape factor for solid circular section in plastic analysis is. For the circular section, it is 1.69, that is option C, 1.7. And for rectangular section, it is 1.5. 37th question, which of the following is unit of stiffness? Option C, kilonewton per meter. In 38th question, point of contraflexure indicates. Option A, maximum bending moment. 39th question, the instrument is used to measure the specific gravity is pycnometer, option D. And Inhofe cone is used to measure the settleable solids and Vickers apparatus is used to measure the consistency and Leach Atlas is used to measure the soundness of the cement. The minimum compressive strength of masonry brick is option C 3.5 Newton per mm square. In 41 question, the plane on shear stresses are 0 is known as option C principal plane. In 42nd question, pH value of water for quality concrete should not be less than option C 6. In 43rd question, maximum value of Poisson's ratio for an elastic material is option C, 0.5. 44th question, a column fails due to direct stress is called short column, and the short column fails by crushing and the long column fails by buckling. In 45th question, irrigation canals are generally aligned along. Option A is the answer, ridge line. In 46th question, this temper is used to coat. Option B is the answer, interior surfaces not exposed to weather. 47th question, meandering of a river generally occurs in. Option D, trough stage. 48th question, if delta is the depth of water in meter, B is the number of days of base period, and D is the duty in hectare per cubic, the relationship which holds good is. This is the most important question for all the competitive exams, okay? Answer is delta equals to 8.64 into P by D. That is option C. 49th question, the minimum recommended dia of the sievers is. Option C is the answer, 15 centimeter. In 50th question, what is the minimum grade of concrete according to IS 456 2000? Option B is the answer, M20.